Yo, it's Me's TV here. Yeah, that's right. Today, we're going to talk about how a Bic can save your life. Now look, this Bic right here, it's out. It's out of fluid. It won't strike. I'm going to show you a trick that can save your life. This motherfucker has one more strike in there. Probably 5 or 6 more strikes. Okay? You might be somewhere where you need a light. Don't work, but you got this fucking broken Bic in your fucking pocket. You think it's out. You was about to throw it away. Don't do that. Check this out. See this silver piece right here? Peel that motherfucker off. You want to pop that shit out right there. And you want to peel this motherfucking silver piece off. And I'm guaranteeing you, you're going to get an emergency strike out of this motherfucker. Okay? So find something and peel that piece off, bro. I'm going to pop this piece out first. I'm going to take this round piece off. This motherfucker should work. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Give me something. Look, there we go. You see it. You got one strike out that motherfucker. My last piece of joint. My last fucking flame. It worked.